and 1 2 3 4 5 6 login. The name is not registered, so profile 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 login. Okay, we are in, but we have a bunch of errors here. So open here, not work. Fail to open here. No such file or directory. Profile 4. Fail to open here. No such thing. Okay, so let's do that again. I don't know why this error appears. Let's delete that. Let me see the code once more. And okay, the problem is that we not completed the code. So what we have to do is to rename the directory. Okay, I forgot that. So close directory, close dir. So now we have to close the directory handle. You can take this out. Okay, we just saw that the loop is function is it's working. So close the handle. Now we type this very simple function, which is sleep 1, and this will avoid another error normally in Windows. And rename, and now we type profiles. Profiles slash and concatenate session square brackets and name, and concatenate and 2 double quotes, comma, and now open double quotes and type profiles slash new name. Okay, and what this will do is, this is the line of code that renames the the directory from the old name, okay, which is profiles, and this is the old name, which is the present session or the old session, to after this comma, to the new name. Okay, so it will change to the new name. The directory will change to whatever value is inside this variable new name. Okay, so let's save that, and now what we have to do is also, let me see, okay, let's save this, and we have to change, okay, we have to grab this, because this copy, and this has to be not in here, but after this curly bracket, because it's going to be, it has to be outside the while loop. And so here paste that, and here delete that. So after the while loop, do run this line of code, these lines. Okay, and now here we will move the new profile image to the new also directory. Okay, so move uploaded file parenthesis, and here we type temp profiles slash new name, images, and my pick, okay, which is going to be the name of the file. As you see in here, this is going to be the name of the file, and this is where it's going to be placed. Okay, so semicolon, and now we can echo your values have been updated successfully, and that's it. Let's save this and let's go and open our CRUD test site and test site. Okay, so let's register a new user again. Hopefully this will be the last time that we register a new user, okay, to test. So profile 6 and at hotmail.com, password 12345, choose picture, register, there it is. Let's log in. Profile 6 12345, login, perfect. Okay, and if we go to here or search and edit user, okay, so if we go to test site, we have new directory profiles, profile 6, and hopefully we will have our, there it is, our profile picture. Now what will happen when I update to a new picture, the script will go to profile 6, will run through each and every file inside this directory, which is the images directory. It will delete this, and then it will change or rename the profile to profile 7, for example, and then it will move the new uploaded file to inside here, the images. Okay, so hopefully the code that it will take a lot of hard work that we did now, it will work. Okay, so let's go and update the values and the image. So let's go to this ID here. Let's change this to 7. The email as well. The password as well. 12345 was the old one, and now I want to put 6. 123456 is the new password. Choose file, and the new file is going to be images.jpg, and hopefully this will work. Save and update. Perfect. Perfect. I think it's the first time that I did a large code, and it didn't return any kind of errors. Okay, so now what we'll do is to log out here, logout.php, session destroyed. If we go to profile 7, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6, login, perfect. Okay, so the code is perfectly running without any kind of error, and it worked. Okay, so if I now change again, if I go to this user here, profile, and change this to 8 and 8 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, it's going to be the new password. Choose a new file. I'm going to change the image to the old one. Okay, change again, save and update. Perfect. Okay, it works. So what I'm going to do now is a script for redirecting after this message appear. Okay, and I have to redirect to the logout, because to see to set a new profile picture, we have to log out and then log in again. Okay, and only then you will see the new picture changed. So what I'm going to do here is to echo blah blah blah, and a MySQL close and header, and in here I'm going to type refresh, 2 seconds, semicolon, and URL equals logout.php. And okay, that's it. Let's see if it works. So let's log out here, log out, session destroyed, and let's profile 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, log in. Okay, if we edit the user, let's go to the last page. This is the one. We'll change to 9 to 9, and the password is going to be, let's leave this in blank, so the password will be the same as we had. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I think, the password. So choose another file, and the file is going to be the Maradona picture, which is in here, images.jpg. Save and update. Perfect, and we will be now redirected to logout and to the login page. So now, hopefully, profile 7, this is 8, profile 8, I think, let me see, yes, profile 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Login, the name is not registered, so it's 9. Let me see, if we go to local XAMPP htdocs and test site and profiles, and it's 9, profile 9. So you see that the file already changed. Okay, so everything is working perfectly. And now let's see if the old password works, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Login, and perfect. Okay, guys, so this is how it took a lot of work, but you see now you know how to make a session picture and to the user be able to update whenever he wants to. Okay, and you will store that picture in your server. Okay, in whatever directory you want. Okay, so see you guys later, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Hi guys, this is just a little update for this video, because I've found a few little problems with the code. So we need to upgrade a little bit the code regarding the picture session. So let's go to change.php, and the first thing we're gonna change, we must create a new if statement here. We will create a new if statement so we can basically guarantee that we are sending the name, the new name, the new email, and the new password. So that's a good way to guarantee that we are sending or the user is sending the exact or the correct info. So let's type if, let's type new name and new email and new password, open, and let's go to down here and let's take this let's leave this else in there, access not allowed. Okay, so let's go up here. So we have an if set, submit, this is for this else here. Exactly. So we have to go here and create a new else. So let's type close curly braces and else. And here we're going to type an echo saying please complete the form. Okay, save that. Let's go back up here, and for now let me type now a new if statement. We need now a new if, which is going to be an if statement for to make sure that we type new or correct or valid email. Okay, so I'm going to use the prag match that we already use to confirm in the registration form, which is this prag match here that you probably have in your in the code insert.php, I think. So make sure you go there and copy this, copy the prag match, which is the code that guarantees that the email that the user is typing is a valid email. Okay, now I opened here curly braces, so I have to close it down here, and we're gonna close it right before the please complete form in here. So let me type here else. I push this a little bit more up, and in here I can type echo please type valid email. Okay, let's go back up, and let me just check. Okay, we can take this out. Okay, the if statement that makes sure that the user is sending a GPG, JPEG, GPG, or BMP. Copy this line of code, so take this out, and we're gonna put this down here in let's take this else out as well, and I'm gonna put this in here. Okay, I'll save this. You can take this if statement of the new password out as well, and this closing curly braces. Okay, now let's grab these MD5 new password MySQL query, and I'm gonna paste them in here. Okay, save that, and now we have this to make sure that is a correct file. This we can take this out, this if session, and this is all okay. File, and here we have to close the while loop, which is this one here and here. Okay, and then we have all this. Let me check what is missing. Sleep rename, move uploaded, header here. This we could take out. We can take out this one here. Let's grab the echo, put it here, and these we can take out. And yeah, that's basically it. I think we are done. We just need to put here, let's take this out. This if is going to be a different thing. It's going to be make sure that we have string length for the new password. Okay, this has to be bigger than 4. Otherwise, this is not okay. Still need here a new else statement saying else echo, and here the password needs to be larger than 4 characters. Okay, so let me check now if everything is okay. So we have the first if here, second if for complete the form, which is this one here. The please type a valid email is this one here. Then we have 4 characters, which is this one here, and we have please load a valid GPG, which is this one here, and everything seems to be perfect now. That's it. We have the while loop to read the directory. Okay, I think we are done. I think everything is okay now. Try to use this code now and make sure you don't have any problems. If you find any problems at all of uploading your pictures, just send me a message so I can check the code out. But I think that everything is okay now, and we can you can use the code without any problems. So that's it for now, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.